Hey everybody, with another awesome savings roundup. Today we're diving deep into the aisles of Sam's Club to uncover some hidden gems and incredible deals you won't want to miss. These are the top 10 things you should be buying at Sam's Club this September 2024. Get those shopping lists ready because we're about to save you a ton of money. And there's a huge selection of brand new deals for every corner of your home. So buckle up, grab your membership card, and let's shop till we drop. All right, deal hunters, let's kick things off with a bang. This first deal is perfect for all you home chefs gearing up for the holiday season. Sam's Club has the Tramontina 7-quart Dutch oven on sale right now for just $50. That's right, you heard me correctly. Only $50 for this kitchen workhorse. This Dutch oven is perfect for everything from slow-cooking stews and roasts to baking bread and whipping up delicious soups. And with its large 7-quart capacity, it's big enough to feed the whole family or a crowd of hungry guests. This top seasonal find is perfect for Thanksgiving and is now available for just $50. I mean, you're practically stealing it at this price. Don't miss out on this incredible deal, folks. Head over to your local Sam's Club or visit their website to snag this Tramontina Dutch oven before they're gone. Next up, we've got a deal that'll make all you DIY enthusiasts jump for joy. Sam's Club is offering the Worx Lithium Screwdriver Kit for an unbelievable price of just $30. This isn't your grandpa's old screwdriver set, folks. This kit is packed with features, including a powerful lithium-ion battery that holds its charge for up to 18 months. Plus, it has multiple speed settings and a built-in LED light to illuminate your workspace. Equipped with dual LEDs, this kit is very handy for all sorts of repairs around the house. Whether you're assembling furniture, tackling minor repairs, or just need a reliable screwdriver for everyday tasks, this Worx kit has got you covered. And at just $30, it's an absolute steal. Don't wait, head over to Sam's Club and grab this amazing deal before it's gone. Calling all pizza lovers and football fanatics, this next deal is for you. Sam's Club is offering a screaming deal on Domino's gift cards that you won't want to miss. Right now, you can snag $100 worth of Domino's gift cards for only $75. That's right, a whopping 25% off your next pizza feast. With game day parties upon us, this deal could score you some significant savings on pizza. Imagine all the delicious pizzas, wings, and breadsticks you could get with that extra $25. It's the perfect way to fuel up for those epic watch parties or satisfy your late-night cravings. But hurry, this deal won't last forever. Head over to Sam's Club and stock up on these Domino's gift cards before they're gone. Your taste buds and your wallet will thank you. Now let's shed some light on another fantastic deal happening at Sam's Club. They have the 2000 Lumen heavy-duty rechargeable LED work light on sale for just $40. This isn't your average work light, folks. This bad boy is built to withstand even the toughest conditions. It's water-resistant, dust-proof, and impact-resistant, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. Water-resistant with a built-in power bank, detachable side lights, and a 24-hour battery life. This is a steal. Plus, it features a powerful 2000 lumen LED that provides ultra-bright illumination for any task. Whether you're working in the garage, camping, or dealing with a power outage, this work light has got you covered. And at just $40, it's an absolute no-brainer. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Head over to Sam's Club and grab yours today. Attention all organization enthusiasts. Sam's Club has a deal that will help you conquer clutter and get your home in tip-top shape. They have their popular 27-gallon storage totes on sale right now for just $7.98 each. These totes are perfect for storing everything from seasonal clothing and holiday decorations to sporting equipment and camping gear. These typically sell very quickly and are available at this price until September 22nd. They're durable, stackable, and feature a clear base so you can easily see what's inside. But don't wait too long to snag this deal, folks. These totes are in high demand and tend to sell out quickly at this price. Head over to your local Sam's Club or visit their website before September 22nd to grab these storage solutions at an incredible price. Let's talk trash, folks. Specifically, let's talk about this amazing deal on a 32-gallon heavy-duty trash can at Sam's Club. Right now, you can snag this made in the USA beauty for just $20. That's right. a durable and reliable trash can for the low price of $20. This isn't your flimsy run-of-the-mill trash can either. This one is built to last with its heavy-duty construction and reinforced rim. One of the least expensive made-in-the-USA bins, perfect for yard work. It's also designed with a convenient handle for easy maneuvering and a tight-fitting lid to keep those unpleasant odors at bay. Whether you need a new trash can for the kitchen, garage, or backyard, this one is a steal at just $20. Fall is in the air, and you know what that means. Leaves, leaves, and more leaves. But don't worry, Sam's Club has got you covered with an incredible deal on the Worx leaf blower and vacuum. For a limited time, you can grab this versatile tool for just $59.86. With fall upon us, this tool helps you blow, mulch, and vacuum up leaves. This isn't your average leaf blower, folks. This Worx model does it all. It effortlessly blows leaves, grass clippings, and debris into neat piles, and with a quick conversion, it transforms into a powerful vacuum that sucks up all that yard waste with ease. It even mulches the leaves as it vacuums, reducing the volume and making it easy to add to your compost pile. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Head over to Sam's Club and grab the Worx leaf blower and vacuum before they're gone. Calling all baking enthusiasts and culinary masters, Sam's Club has a deal that will make your heart skip a beat. They have the iconic KitchenAid 5.5-quart stand mixer on sale for an unbelievable price of just $290. That's right, you can save a whopping $90 on this kitchen essential. A serious price drop of $90 until September 22nd, great for Thanksgiving preparations. The KitchenAid stand mixer is a staple in kitchens around the world for a reason. Its powerful motor and versatile attachments can handle everything from whipping up fluffy cakes and cookies to kneading bread dough and making homemade pasta. This is a deal you absolutely don't want to miss. Head over to Sam's Club before September 22nd and treat yourself to the KitchenAid stand mixer of your dreams. Air fry enthusiasts, get ready to double your air frying game. Sam's Club has the Ninja Foodi 8-quart dual basket air fryer on sale for an incredible price of just $110. That's a $40 discount on this kitchen powerhouse. This isn't your average air fryer, folks. Reduced by $40, this air fryer allows you to cook simultaneously at 2 different temperatures. The Ninja Foodi dual basket air fryer features 2 separate cooking baskets, allowing you to cook 2 different foods at the same time at different temperatures and finish them both at the same time. That means you can cook crispy French fries and juicy chicken tenders simultaneously without any flavor transfer. It's like having 2 air fryers in one. Don't miss out on this amazing deal. Head over to your local Sam's Club or visit their website to grab the Ninja Foodi Dual Basket Air Fryer for just $110. Last, but certainly not least, we've got a deal that will take your air frying and baking game to the next level. Sam's Club has the Nordic Ware ExtraLarge oven pan on sale for just $27. This isn't your average baking sheet, folks. At 15 inches by 21 inches, this pan allows you to air crisp everything from bacon to French fries and vegetables. This extra-large pan is perfect for air frying large batches of your favorite foods, from crispy French fries and chicken wings to roasted vegetables and more. It's also great for baking cookies, sheet cakes, and even pizzas. The possibilities are endless, and at just $27, it's an absolute steal. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Head over to Sam's Club and grab the Nordic Ware Extra Large Oven Pan before they're gone. Well, folks, there you have it. 10 incredible deals at Sam's Club this September that you absolutely don't want to miss. From kitchen appliances and home essentials to DIY tools and outdoor gear, there's something for everyone on this list. If you are enjoying this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up, as that really helps my channel. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks again to Incogni for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to click the link in the video description box and use the code THEDEALGUY to get 60% off their annual plan. Remember, these deals won't last forever, so don't wait. Head over to your local Sam's Club or visit their website to snag these amazing bargains before they're gone. I love you. Bye-bye.